Do you want to share a website or clickable link directly in your Instagram story? In this video, I'll show you how to add a link to your story so your viewers can tap and visit instantly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the plus icon at the top left to start creating a new story. From here, you can either take a new photo or video or choose one from your gallery to use as the story background. Once your story content is ready, look at the top of the screen and tap the stickers icon. This will open a menu of different sticker options. Scroll until you see the one labeled link and tap on it. A new window will open where you can paste or type the website URL you want people to visit. If you'd like, you can also tap Customize Sticker Text to change how the link appears, so it's more eye-catching than just showing the raw URL. After that, tap Done. The link sticker will now be added to your story. You can drag it around, resize it, and even change its color or style so it matches the design of your post. Try placing it somewhere clear where your audience will notice it. When everything looks good, tap your story at the bottom of the screen to publish it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Instagram tips, and tap the bell so you never miss an update.